Good morning YouTube, it's Scott Dunnage Garage. In this week's video we're going to talk to you about the Moore Overland Expo and how much fun we had there. Stay tuned. The Moore Expo began Thursday night for the Storytellers with a dinner provided by Rollercam and a class from NCMEC, the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Please take a moment and pause the video and scan the QR code. After a peaceful night of sleep, it was time for the expo to kick off. Not only was there a beautiful sunrise to enjoy, the Storytellers area soon filled with the amazing sounds and smells of breakfast cooking everywhere. Finally, it was time to explore the many vendors and get hands-on with products that we generally only hear about or see in catalogs and online. Did I mention the opportunity to look at some amazing builds, get ideas for your own projects, and these builds came in all shapes and sizes. Now let's head inside. And we are at the All Roads Taken booth.
Hi, I'm Tyler from All Roads Taken, and we've created an online travel tracking platform so that you can track your adventure travel across, your full journey, as far back as you want to go and into the future. We've got a family of 4, and we travel everywhere, and we wanted a better way to do that as we're tracking all 50 states with our kids. So that was kind of where the business came from, and this is our first year. Our birthday actually was the Moore event last year, so we're 1 year in, and we released a line of badge products to go along with the online adventure log, with the idea that it can create this extra incentive and a cool way to commemorate your travel no matter where you're going across these awesome destinations. So I'll show you one kind of here. These are some of our trail badges, and you can see there this is a nice aesthetically pleasing badge for the vehicle. We use an automotive grade plastic and a very specific type of aluminum that's designed to last 25 years. So we wanted something that was highly durable. We love stickers, they just don't last very well on the outside of a vehicle. And this was an opportunity for us to create something that we knew would last just as long, if not longer, than the vehicles and campers and things that they're on. So that's our badge line. We carry badges for all sorts of, really our full catalog of adventures that are on the adventure log online. So states, national forests, national parks, state parks, trails across the country, a lot of events. So Moore, we partnered with Moore to do an event badge for them, as well as for this Moore to Moore rally, and we do that with a number of other events. So if your club is interested, or you've got a private event that you're holding, certainly reach out to us and we can help commemorate that for your guests with a badge. So if you haven't heard about us, I'm hoping you are now. It's nice to see you. If you've heard about us in the past, definitely sign up for an account online. It's free to get started and build your adventure log, and then we've got some additional features on top of that you can add on over time. But we feel it's a really important thing, and we want to provide some cool tools for folks to keep track of those memories, not forget, and see all the wonderful places they've gone. So check us out at allroadstaken.com, and feel free to reach out anytime with questions.
Outstanding. Thank you. Clean Ocean Designs. And what are they?
So these are made out of algae, ocean algae, for the antimicrobial properties of it.
Right.
So they clean. They won't trap odor. They're very lightweight, flexible, very soft on your feet.
Okay. And shower mats.
For a shower mat, for your outdoor shower.
We stopped at a lot of booths this year, and one booth we stopped at and we did not film was Devos. Devos by far is the best lantern you can use in your overlanding and camp gear. And not only is it useful in camping and overlanding, it is useful working around the house as well. We use it fixing plumbing, we use it working in the garage, we even use it for creating just a little bit more light for our videos. Devos has some great products. Not only do they have the light, they have tripods, they have solar panels, battery packs, they even have motion detectors. So check out Devos. Now let's get back to the expo. If you think there's a lot going on inside the expo, just head back outside to find more. Not only are there additional vendors, there is the Storyteller Row. This is where you can meet up with your favorite content creators, such as Ozark Overland Adventures, No Barriers Adventures, Overland Anglers, and don't forget the Dunnage Garage Crew. You may even see Baker Overland doing a podcast. Here in Storyteller Row is where you can hear stories being told and build some lifelong friendships. I know Matt and I have.
15 minutes, we will be starting our 1 p.m. education classes in Center Hall, as well as
Good morning. We just finished up an amazing More Expo and we are getting ready to head home. But before we do, we need to introduce Matt to Buc-ee's. While we take Matt in through Buc-ee's to get some fuel and some snacks for the road, I just want to say thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to help the channel, the easiest way to do it is to subscribe. So with that, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. You have yourself a blessed day. Remember, life's an adventure. Go live it. And if you're going to be at Overland Expo West this year, please stop by and say hi. We'd love to talk to you. See you there.